Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Axie Infinity Arts. So guys, as you can see, the name of my painting is Shiva Shambho. I created the collaboration of the great Maratha warrior king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Hindu mythology god Shiva or Mahadev. He has so many names: Bholenath, Shankara. So pencil for outline I have used is HB Apsara pencil, and for shading purpose I use 2B, 4B, 6B and 10B Apsara pencils only. So they are better for dark shades I think, but using darker and darker pencil for shades. So I created this art from my imagination. This is my final pencil sketch. Hope you like it. So now it's time for digital art. So I am using Sketchbook app from Autodesk. It is really good app for beginner digital art and it is absolutely free. So you can download it from App Store. And for PC or system you can download it from their website. It is absolutely free. Skin color. For outline I am using darker shades. We'll go for the same strategy, solid colors for base and then the darker shade for the darker regions. For lips I am using the red color and brown color. So for shadows I will go for darker shade, or I can use black, faint black. The Bhasma stripes. Now hairstyle. So this hairstyle is known as jata, or in English you can say dreadlocks. Jatadhari Mahadev. Sadhus in India, Aghoris, they have these hairstyles. Again I will go for the same strategy, solid colors for base and then the darker shade for the darker regions. Scales of snake is also difficult to achieve. Eyes. Now the material texture. You can see the folds when I use the darker shade properly. Rudraksha. Some gold jewelry. This is my final art. Now time for some effects. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share my channel.